สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Smart Energy Program. I'm สร้อยฟ้าโอสุคนทิพย์ I will take everyone to know the Steamless palm oil process, which is palm-free. Ministry of Industry, Administration Management Team, and entrepreneurs of Indonesia came to visit this factory in Ban Rai District, Uthai Thani Province, and see that this technology will be to develop the palm oil industry in Indonesia. Mr. Putu Juli Atika, Director General Agricultural Industry Ministry of Industry, and his ministry delegation. Mr. Sahat Maruri Sinaka, Head Indonesia Palm Oil Board, and Mr. Petrus Chandra, President Director PT Agro Investment Service, lead the entrepreneurs group of palm oil industry from Indonesia visited the seamless palm oil milling process at Uthai Palm Oil Clean Company, Ban Rai District, Uthai Thani Province, with the executive management team of Green Mill System Company, welcoming and escorting them technology. Mr. Bullak Unyuang, Managing Director of Uthai Palm Oil Clean said that the Steamless palm oil process and palm-free technology will get 20% quality palm oil and palm kernels. In addition, there is byproduct as an empty branch into biomass fuel, get accepted to be biofertilizer, to produce palm meal to be used as animal feed, to produce palm kernel shells, to be used as fuel in factories, in which very part of the palm can be used at all, no waste left behind. Director General of the Department of Agriculture, Ministry of Industry Indonesia said he was interested in seamless palm oil milling process to produce in Indonesia.
We look at the technology is a new one for Indonesia, and this technology will improve our production, especially the recovery rate of the oil that we can get on the process, and without steam, or we call steamless, the production also will environment friendly, because without waste, and we have a plenty of plantation. Our plantation is so huge, and the river, and if we use a steamless process, the factories should located near the river, so they have to travel to transport the bunch of palm oil, palm tree, fruit, so far from the plantation. So with this one, we can reduce the transportation cost, and also the waste of the production. We can use a fertilizer and back to the plantation. I think that's a benefit of this technology, I think.
How will Indonesia promote the steamless palm oil, which is palm-free like this?
We work with the entrepreneur. We work with Investama. We work with Agro Investama to introduce through the pilot project. We right now we have already built one pilot project, and in this short time we will build 17 plant for like this. So the other entrepreneur or the other cooperative can see the plan and learn about the plan to build in their area.
Head Indonesia Palm Oil Board said, if using a non-water system like here, will reduce the cost of transportation, reduce carbon dioxide emissions, and environmentally friendly?
Well, it is totally a revolution of processing palm oil from conventional way. Because in Indonesia, the palm oil industry starting from 1922, yeah? Now it's 2022, it's 100 years, no change. And this is the very good thing to revolutionize processing of palm oil in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are about 16.38 million hectares oil palm plantation. About 58% belongs to a big company. 42% smallholders like here. So this plant is a very good for small. First, the transport cost becoming less, yeah, compared to the previous one. They get to go about 200 kilometers. Now, putting this in a small area, they only about 20 kilometers radius. So the cost only 10% compared to the previous one. That's one. And number two, emission carbon. Yeah? Carbon emission, the old plant producing 1,296.1 kilogram CO2 equivalent per ton oil. With this technology, it's only 270 kilogram, meaning it's about 79 to 80% the carbon emission less. And that's we support the world for getting cleaner air. That's why I personally, together with the Malaysia and Thailand and Indonesia, fighting for the carbon emission.
This visit to palm-free technology and the Steamless palm oil milling process. This is the beginning of cooperation between Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand in the development of palm oil industry to be sustainable and environmentally friendly.